A very good day to sir. My name is Array from SN1, and today I will be presenting my task 3 presentation for the course SCES1152 Computational Thinking in Science. This presentation explores how I have integrated computational thinking skill into 2 connected science projects about the water cycle for Year 5 primary school students. I will first introduce my project 1, Unplugged activity, titled Save the Water Cycle Adventure. This is an SK5 textbook about water cycle topic. This is the SKP Science Year 5. We will summarize the relationship between the change in state of matter in the formation of cloud and rain. The learning objective. At the end of the activity, students will be able to identify the 4 stages of the water cycle, arrange the state in the correct sequence, predict what happens if one state is missing, apply the 5 computational thinking skills, which are decomposition, pattern recognition, abstraction, algorithm, evaluation. And the materials that used in project 1 are large water cycle board, character cards, sunny, stage card, disaster cards, teacher mystery scenario cards, error cards, evaluation worksheet. And the phases of water have 3 types. Water on Earth can be either solid, liquid, or gas. And the water cycle is the journey that water takes around Earth. The water cycle is a continuous process where water moves through 4 main stages, which are evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and correction. This is a simple video about the water cycle. And the proper situation. The story beginning with yesterday, Droppy was still traveling around the Earth. Earth has a problem. The water cycle machine has stopped working. If it cannot fix it, river will dry up, plants will die, animals will lose water, and people will face drought. And our mission is to help Droppy, which is the water droplet, repair the water cycle before it's too late. We have 4 groups to save the Earth. For mission 1, with the journey, students will receive state and picture card, error card, Droppy character cards, and students must arrange the 4 stage card in the correct order. Once correct, move Droppy along the page. And in this mission, we will use decomposition skill. That's breaking a complex problem into smaller, manageable sub-problems that are easier to understand and solve. In this mission, students break the water cycle into 4 main stages. And mission 2, find the patterns. Students identify the repeating sequence and realize that the process never stops. This is a repeat circular water cycle. And in this mission, we use pattern recognition to identify similarities, trends, and repeating regularity across the problem to find shortcuts and rules. Students recognize that the stages occur in the same repeating orders. In mission 3, you become water detective. Teacher will lead 3 mysteries, and students need to investigate and find the missing states. And in this mission, abstraction is used in mission 3 that remove unnecessary details and focus only on information that is essential to solving the problem. Students focus only on important clues based to find missing stage. And mission 4, about the 4 disaster cards. Each group picks up 1 card to discuss and write their prediction. And they must follow the sequence: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, correction. Mission 4 use algorithm. It's a precise order set of instructions or rules for solving a problem, and always produce the correct output. Students need to follow the steps in the right order to solve a problem. And predict is the step-by-step to solve the problem. Identify the problem, which that is missing a trend, what happens next, Oh, what is the pattern and explain the solution. In Mission 5, Save the Earth. Group will present their prediction with their answer. The teacher reveals the correct explanation, and the water cycle machine start again. And also, teacher will prepare worksheet for students to check their understanding level. It's the evaluation worksheet. And evaluation will use in Mission 5 is test, reviewing, and improving the solution against a set of criteria to ensure it's correct, efficient, and complete, which are scientifically accurate. All false leisure connected. Second is a closed loop if their logic is correct and clearly diagram. And mission complete, student will get a water detective award certificate sticker. The plug-in activity is the continuation of Project 1. Title: Mission Save the Water Cycle to be Digital Adventure. We use Scratch to make it and have simulation, quiz, mini games, and animation. And students will get 4-star and Master Water Detective certificates in the end. And we will start the brain through of the trash game. And also introduce the mission. Start mission. Starter. Oh no, the water cycle machine is broken. Can you help me complete my journey before Earth runs out of water? Oh dear, I forgot the order of the water cycle. Can you help me remember before we begin? This is the pre-mission, and student grab 4 state cards into correct order to help Droppy remember the orders. And the correction first.
Good. Good
Evaporation, condensation,
Great.
and precipitation.
Perfect.
This preparation uses pattern recognition and algorithm. Students recognize the repeating water cycle pattern, and students arrange the state in the correct sequence and click the right button. Yeah, that's correct. Mission 1 is the wake up in the lake. Sleeping in the lake and main energy to begin. And then students need to collect 10 droplets in the collection stuff. Okay, we will collect 10 droplets. 5, 6, 7, 8, and drag and drop. Okay, now the sun can hit the water, and this mission helps use decomposition. Students break the task into small steps, collect water, heat water, and evaporate it. And pattern recognition, students recognize that evaporation always starts with the sun, and click the sun to evaporate. I'm turning the water vapor. Okay, still evaporate outward, and we march over the bird. And mission 2 is joining the sky. With that from clouds conversation. Okay, students must catch 4 cloud pieces, assemble the puzzle, and count it perform and guide the next mission. It is used students focus only on the important information with the cloud formation or condensation. And we will move to mission 2, water diversity. And they have 3 mystery unicorns. It has a science group, and the last grade, okay, which are missing, and no rain. Okay, no rain. We can only die 1, 2, 3, 4 to identify the missing stage. Okay. 3 is precipitation. Okay, correct. This use decomposition. Students break each mystery into smaller groups, and students identify only the relevant stage of the water cycle. It is abstraction. State is missing. Okay, correct.
Oh.
Excellent, you are a true water detective. We are not looking for water. And we will not. Okay, we have another photos. Mission 4 is disaster alert. There are 4 buttons broken, and students need to arrange course effect sequence in logical order to repair each portal. And for the no sun, no evaporation, no cloud, and no rain. Okay. Checking this correct order, and the portal will repair. I click another to answer. And this use algorithm, student arrange the event in logical order, and evaluation, student can evaluate whether the sequence correct repair the disaster. And for the hypothesis, no rain first and river dry. Run dry cycle. If we wrong, we have the hints to guide the student. Yeah. We'll try again. One. Okay, that's correct. And the photo will repair. And for the photo C, heavy rain falls and home road damage, home affected, and farm destroyed. Okay, we check. Okay, it's correct order. Photo D repair. Okay, done. Amazing, the water cycle is working again. Now, we move to the mission 5. Let's make it and press the down arrow key to activate the raining animation. And we must avoid the lightning. Press the down arrow button and press right arrow key to progress this. This use pattern recognition, student recognize that water cycle continues as a repeating process. And evaluation, student evaluate whether the cycle is complete, and click the the water cycle is complete again. And the mission is done. And the student will get the certificate. Ta-da! Congratulations! The water cycle concept alert. This is the with the water cycle animation. Okay, mission is correct. The mission is done. Thanks for play. You can click the restore button to clear all, and click again. Click play again, and you can play again. Okay. Next, the Scratch technical feature. The green flag is reset all available and opening screen to restart the program from the beginning. And the play again button is also have the same function. And the spark, I have used many spark, Droppy, Sunny, Droppy, Doppler, Random, Lightning, Unicorn, Photo certificates. That has many sprites that have used in this project. Okay, then we have 8 raindrops, which are earth rise, lake, blue sky, and wood forest, and dark clouds, earth that restore, and the water cycle background that has solved the animation. And the loops I have used repeat until the report collection and thunder. This is the lightning sprite. We have used the forever loops, which are the thunder. It was light up. And the condition is touching dropping. If touching dropping, we will play sound with the drop and change the droplet by 1. And the another loops repeat clone spawning for the cloud sprite. That is the clone of the cloud. Yeah, we have a repeat. And the condition is touching birds. Droppy spike will repeat more, and if touching birds, it will say, oh, lost a light, and the light also will minus 1. And for the condition, if touching Droppy, if dropper equal 4, 5, or 10, if answer is correct, and wait until quarter fit equal to 4, and we will move to the next step. Yeah, that the answer and correct, we will change the score of dropper. And variables that used in this project have score, live, dropper, auto fit, and mission that's display of screen. That's it. And the sound effects that use like photo drip, wind, thunder, magic spell, the fairy dust, mystery, chill music, and also
Good.
teleport.
Good job. Great. Perfect.
Okay, that's all. And the interactive elements, we have big sprite and press arrow key, drag and drop. Press arrow key, and this is drag and drop. And drag and drop to collect the dropper, and drag and drop the card. For the quick sprite is with the unicorn, mystery, the answer, that the quiz answer, and the play again button. Click to reset, play again. Next, for the unplugged and plug-in activities, project 1, unplug decomposition, break the water cycle into 4 stages. State cards arrange manually. And for project 2, the sprite move through each stage separately to broadcast message. Yeah. For the table recognition, students identify the repeating order of the water cycle. Project 2 recognize that the sun always starts evaporation and the cycle will repeat. For abstraction, project 1 focus on the missing state during detective activity. And project 2 focus on key information needed to answer each mission correctly. For algorithm, arrange the water cycle and disaster sequences. For project 2, arrange the state card and disaster event in the correct order. For the last, evaluation. For project 1, compare prediction with scientific explanation, answer the worksheet, and project 2, earn the Master Water Detective certificate when all missions is complete correctly. And for the benefit for students will develop computational thinking which are decomposition, pattern recognition, abstraction, algorithm, and evaluation, while solving science problems through hands-on and digital activities. And strengthen science understanding. Questions-based activity helps students understand the water cycle process and explain how each state is connected. And also increase engagement and motivation. The interactive mission-based activity with Droppy, disaster card, stress gameplay, and reward make learning enjoyable and encourage active participation. Promote real-world problem-solving. Disaster disciplines such as law and flood how students connect science concepts with real environmental issues and make logical decisions to not just memorize a fact. And build digital literacy. Students using Scratch to develop student competence in interacting with digital technology while reinforcing science concepts. And for the last, encourage self-evaluation and achievement. The scholarship system, STAR, and Master Water Detective Certificate allows pupils to monitor their own learning progress and celebrate the achievement and the benefit for teacher. Teacher will plan the well-structured lesson design. This provides a clear lesson sequence for introduction, exploration, application to assessment, and also support differentiation learning. The hands-on activities like Project 1 switch the kinesthetic learner with script games. In Project 2 support visual and digital learners. It's same objective but different access point and also different access point. And also integrate multiple subjects. The activity integrates science, math, combinational thinking, and digital skill to support cross-curricular learning. The evaluation worksheet, observation, elimination, square score, and certificate provide multiple opportunity for formative assessment. And it's also the water cycle topic is aligned with KSSR, incorporating combinational thinking skill. And the project is reusable and adaptable. Teacher can reuse or modify the unplugged activity and scrap game for revision, arrangement, or other next topic. Conclusion. In conclusion, this project integrates hands-on learning and digital learning through a continuous mission-based storyline to help people understand the water cycle in a fun and meaningful ways. It develops computational thinking, problem-solving, and digital skill of supporting the KSSR science curriculum. That's all. Thank you.